Alrighty guys, this is a little tip on someone who needs it. So we're going to install the 7-inch, I believe, lights. Right here you have this plug and you have the 2 extra plugs. So the 2 extra plugs is for if you want to run daytime running lights, which is with these right there. Here we can have it running daytime running lights. So you want to check with your multimeter what one's sending power. So on the Jeep Wrangler, it's the white and green and yellow, kind of white and green line, and then this would be your signal line, the white and brown. We're gonna tape it up, put a couple spade connectors, connect it to the headlight, and just test it out. Let's get it. Okay, so here we got the power, and then we got the ground, and then this is the result. You can have these on, and then to do it on, all the way on, daytimes, and then off. This is also another good tip. Tape as much as you can if you go off-roading like I do, and then can also tape the connectors. I'm gonna tape all these here. I'll even tape the main connectors. It'll protect it from like debris and stuff going in. And yeah.